Good morning, family! Wake up! It's a beautiful day.
Is it time already? I am so excited for our trip.
What trip? Are we going somewhere? Are we going to the park again?
No. We are going camping. In the woods.
Camping? Like in a tent? Yes, Henry. We will sleep outside, cook over a fire, and see the stars.
I have never slept in a tent before. Is it scary? Is it scary?
It is fun, Lily. I promise. We will have a great adventure.
Okay, everyone. Please pack your bags. We need warm clothes, snacks, and water.
Can I bring my toy robot?
You can bring one toy, Henry, but pack it in your small bag.
I will bring my teddy bear. He needs to see the forest too.
That is a great idea. Now, let's go. The car is all loaded.
Is everyone ready?
Yes!
Then let's go!
The forest is so pretty. Look at all the tall green trees.
Wow! They are so big. I feel so small. Can we stop and pick some flowers?
Maybe later, Lily. First, we need to find our campsite.
Dad, do you have the map?
Yes, I have the map right here in my pocket.
Where is our campsite?
It is near the big lake. We follow this path, and we should see it in 10 minutes.
Dad, are you sure we are going the right way?
Yes, I think so. The path looks familiar.
I see a big rock over there. Does the map show a big rock?
Let me check. The map shows a small river, but I do not see a river.
Are we lost, Dad?
I am not sure. Let me look at the map again.
Maybe we should turn back and try the other path.
Okay, let's go back to the fork in the road.
Okay, this is the fork. The map says we go left.
Left it is. Let's walk.
Dad, look! I see a tent over there. Is that our campsite?
Let me walk closer. Yes! That is our spot. It is right next to the lake.
Oh, it is so beautiful. The water is so calm.
I can see little fish swimming in the water. Can we swim?
Maybe tomorrow. Right now, let's set up our tent. Okay, let's take all the equipment out of the car.
I will get the tent poles. Henry, can you help me carry the tent bag?
Sure, Mom. It is a little heavy. I can carry the sleeping bags. They are not heavy.
Good job, everyone. Let's lay everything on the grass.
Okay, Dad, where do we start?
First, we lay out the ground sheet. Then we put the tent on top.
Dad, where do these poles go?
The long poles go through the red sleeves, like this.
Let me help you with that. Lily, can you hold the corner?
Yes, Mom. I am holding it tight.
Okay, now we lift it up. 1, 2, 3, lift!
Oh no! The tent is falling down. It is so floppy. It won't stay up.
Let me try again. Maybe I put the poles in the wrong holes.
Let me check the instructions. It says, red pole goes in the red sleeve.
Dad, you put the blue pole in the red sleeve.
Oh, you are right, Henry. Good catch. Okay, let's fix that. Red pole in red sleeve. Blue pole in blue sleeve.
There we go. It is starting to look like a tent.
It is standing up. We did it! It looks like a big triangle.
Now we put the rain fly on top. It keeps us dry if it rains.
I will hold the top, and you can pull it down.
Perfect. Now we peg it to the ground.
What are the pegs for?
They hold the tent in place, so the wind does not blow it away.
Okay, everyone. Stake a peg. We need 4 pegs on each side.
I will hammer this one in. I will do the one next to Henry.
Great teamwork, everyone. The tent is ready.
Now, let's get the fire pit ready. We need to cook our dinner.
I can go get some small sticks for the fire.
Good idea, Henry. Gather dry sticks and leaves.
I will help Henry.
Don't go too far, kids. Stay where we can see you.
Lily, look at this big stick. It is perfect. Henry, I found a flat rock. We can use it as a seat. Let's take these back to Dad.
Great job, kids. Now, I will build the fire.
I have the matches, but we need to be very careful.
I will light the small leaves first, and then add the sticks.
It is getting dark. I am a little hungry. Me too. What are we eating?
We are having hot dogs and roasted marshmallows.
Yummy! I love hot dogs!
Okay, the fire is ready. Let's roast our hot dogs.
How do I do it, Dad?
Put the hot dog on this stick, hold it over the fire, and turn it slowly.
Mine is burning! Oh no!
That is okay, Henry. Burnt food is sometimes tasty. Trime's tasty. Try again.
Here, let me show you. Keep it a little higher.
I want mine golden brown. Like Mom's.
Mine is perfect. Here, have some ketchup with it.
This is the best hot dog I have ever had.
Now can we roast marshmallows?
Yes, but be careful. They get very hot.
I want mine to be all fluffy and white.
Put it on the stick, hold it close, and wait for it to puff up.
Mine is turning brown. I think it is ready.
Blow on it to cool it down before you eat it.
It is so sweet and sticky. I love it.
After dinner, sit and look at the stars.
The sky is so clear tonight. No clouds at all.
Look up there. There are so many stars. I see a big one. Is that a star or a planet?
That is a planet. It is called Venus. It is very bright.
And over there, do you see the Big Dipper? Do you see the Big Dipper?
It looks like a big spoon. See the stars up there? I see it! It is a spoon made of stars. Stars!
It is getting late. We should go into the tent.
Let me put out the fire. I will pour some water on it.
Do we have to sleep already?
Yes, Henry. We have a long day tomorrow. We can go hiking.
I am tired. My eyes are heavy.
Let's go inside. Everyone grab your sleeping bags.
It is so cozy inside the tent. I can hear the crickets outside. They are singing.
They are singing us a lullaby.
Good night, everyone. Sleep well.
Good night, Dad. Good night, Mom. Good night, Henry. Good night, everyone.
What was your favorite part of the day, Henry?
Roasting the marshmallows and seeing the stars. I liked setting up the tent. It was like a puzzle. Dad, thank you for taking us camping.
You are welcome, son. We can come back anytime.
Mom, I learned that if we work together, everything is easier.
That is a very smart lesson, Lily.
And I learned that we need to be patient. The fire took time, but it was worth it.
Exactly, Henry. Good things take time and teamwork.
Now, let's close our eyes and dream about the forest.
Good night. Good night.